everyone, I'm going to make a pizza art project. You can make one at home too. Got lots of toppings, but you can use what you want. Got my pie crust and we're ready to start. First, add the sauce. Spread it around. It's really red paint. Now we're going to add the cheese. It's really actually glue. Get that all around. Some more cheese. Sprinkle that on. Make sure there's a lot of cheese. Cheesy pizza holds the toppings on. Now some peppers. Some red and green and orange peppers. Some pepperoni. Sausage. And some mushrooms. If you want a spicy pizza, add some garlic and red pepper flakes. Oh, that's a good looking pizza. Enjoy!